These are the new HMX gravel switches. At first I thought they were just recolors. Let's break them down. They have a POM stem, a PC top housing, and a PA66 nylon bottom housing with a 50-gram spring. The factory lube is near perfect, but there are no surprises there, it is HMX. What makes these different than all other switches from HMX? Let's listen to how they sound and then get into it. Okay, how are these different than other HMX? Well, they're almost identical to the Hyacinth V2s. The only difference is that the Hyacinth have a modified nylon bottom housing versus this just straight nylon. And to be fair, I do have one, and it does sound a tiny bit more thin and higher pitched compared to the Gravels, just pure PA66. So to be fair, they are a little different, or at least they appear to be. Okay, would I recommend these? Yeah, probably. In a vacuum, I think they're great switches. The factory lube is some of the best on the market, if not the best. If you already have Hyacinth V2s, or you're looking for something that's a little deeper sounding, a little more muted, these might not be it.